Welcome to IT training tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install Zabbix monitoring system. We need to complete 7 steps for install Zabbix monitoring system. Now we can start step 1. In this step, we need to set up Apache MySQL and PHP. So we can use yum install command from CentOS server to install packet from the internet. Yum install httpd devel. Please make sure Linux server can connect to internet to download the packet for installation. System is downloading and installation. We need to wait a moment. Continue. We need to install MySQL server by command yum install MySQL server. MySQL server has installed already, so system don't need it download from to install. So we continue. We need to install some bucket requirement: PHP CDI, PHP command, PHP devel, blah blah blah, PHP peer, PHP PD, PHP MB string, PHP MySQL, and PHP XML. Click yes for downloading and installation. The system is downloading all packet requirement from internet. It depends on internet bandwidth, so we will need to wait a moment. After installing, we need to start service HTTPD by service HTTPD start and make sure the startup is OK. And chk config HTTPD on to make sure HTTP service start when we restart the server. Continue, and we need to run the command chk config MySQL as well for the MySQL server start when we restart the server. In the next step, we need to configure the MySQL. In the first login to SQL database, the password is blank. Set root password. In this step, we need to set password for root database. Remove anonymous access for security purpose. We need to remove it, and likewise remove chat database, reload privileged access. In the next step, we need to configure yum repository. In this, the purpose of this step, that we can download on packet from the Zabbix server via some command. We don't need install manually. We can use yum command to download from the server, from the Zabbix server. In this step, we need to install Zabbix server with MySQL. Zoom install Zabbix server. Yes, for instance. Okay. This step has been completed. In the next step, we need to send up Zabbix conversion. The first thing, we need to change the time zone for PHP session by vi etc httpd config Zabbix and change the time zone to local time. In this case, we change to Asia Ho Chi Minh. Save and exit. Up to complete, we need to restart the HTTPD service. In step 5, we need to create Zabbix MySQL database. Log into the MySQL database by MySQL use first be enter the password of root account. Create database Zabbix character says UTF-8. Okay. We need to create a file list for the Zabbix database. Zabbix ASP.NET.Local. Zabbix.NET.Local input quality domain name of the Zabbix server. Next step, we need to create database for Zabbix server. And we need to check the version of Zabbix. Currently, the version is 2.2.8. We need to create 3 database tables: schema, main, image, data. Schema, enter the root password, done. Image, enter the password, done. Data, enter the password, done. In the last step, we need to start the Zabbix server by the command service Zabbix server start, and we need to use the chk command to make the service start when we restart the server. Now we can access to Zabbix server via httpd 172.31 httpd 172.31.104 Zabbix. And first, the login, we need to click next. We need to scroll now to make sure all status is OK. Everything is OK, we can click next. In this step, we need to push the password of database and click the test connection to make sure the web front-end can connect to MySQL database. OK. In the host, we can input the full query domain name of Zabbix server, zabbix.net.local. Zabbix monitoring system. Yes, next. Then the configuration file should be stored at etc zabbix web zabbix.com.php. We have done install Zabbix monitoring system in the CentOS server. Now we can log in to the web front-end to access the Zabbix server. Here is the default configuration of Zabbix server. You can find at etc Zabbix web zabbix.com.co. Use admin password Zabbix. Admin Zabbix successful. Now we can log in the default account. This is the main screen of Zabbix server. GSK countries Zabbix server on. To make Zabbix server service auto start when we restart the server, we can use GSK countries list grab Zabbix to filter the Zabbix information, and you can see we can use Zabbix agent stop. We need to start Zabbix agent for monitoring the Zabbix server. Okay, done. GSK config Zabbix agent on. In the next video, we will go through iterative monitoring, config real-time monitoring, send email, send SMS, run command, config service level agreement, service monitoring, config reporting and training, config system recovery, config web monitoring, Zabbix server management. Thanks for watching. IT training tutorial.